This Echo Dot 5th Gen 2022 release, bundled with the TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb, is a game-changing combination for anyone looking to upgrade their smart home. With advanced audio performance and seamless integration of smart lighting, this bundle promises to bring convenience, entertainment, and efficiency right to your fingertips. In this review, we'll dive deep into its features, functionality, and why this duo might just be the ultimate addition to your home. Audio excellence. The best sound yet? The Echo Dot 5th Gen delivers a remarkable audio experience. Compared to its predecessors, it boasts clearer vocals, perfect for podcasts, audiobooks, and hands-free calls. Deeper bass. Enjoy immersive sound for your favorite music and movies. Balanced acoustics. Vibrant sound that adapts to your room for optimal quality. Whether you're throwing a party, relaxing with soothing tunes, or syncing music across multiple devices, this Echo Dot ensures crystal clear sound quality in every corner of your home. Hands-free lighting. Smarter, simpler, brighter. The bundled TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb takes smart lighting to the next level. You can easily control your lighting through simple voice commands like Alexa, turn the lights blue. Alexa, dim the lights to 50%. Other impressive features include customizable colors and brightness. Transform your room's ambiance instantly. Energy monitoring. Reduce energy consumption with real-time tracking via the Kasa app. Scheduling and automation. Wake up to a sunrise glow or set the mood for movie nights effortlessly. With Alexa integration, setting up and managing your smart bulb is a breeze. Seamless integration with Alexa. Alexa powers this bundle with intelligence and versatility. Beyond music and lighting, you get voice assistants. Ask Alexa for news, weather updates, or even jokes. Device compatibility. Pair with smart thermostats, cameras, and more for a unified smart home. Privacy protection. Built with multiple layers of controls, including a mic off button, ensuring your data stays secure. Smart features that enhance everyday life. 1. Energy efficiency. The 60-watt equivalent smart bulb saves energy without compromising brightness or color quality. 2. Scheduling for convenience. Program routines to match your lifestyle. For example, schedule lights to turn off when you leave or create a bedtime dimming schedule. 3. Home connectivity. The Echo Dot can pair with other smart devices like thermostats, cameras, or TVs, creating an interconnected home ecosystem. Easy setup. Plug, pair, play. Setting up this bundle is remarkably straightforward. 1. Plug in the Echo Dot and follow the Alexa app instructions. 2. Screw in the TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb. 3. Pair the bulb with Alexa and start controlling your lights hands-free. Even if you're new to smart home devices, this bundle ensures a frustration-free experience from the start. Benefits. Why this bundle stands out. Enhanced audio. Enjoy superior sound performance in a compact design. Smart home integration. Manage multiple devices from one hub. Customizable lighting. Tailor your environment to match any mood or occasion. Cost-effective. Combines two powerful products in one affordable package. Drawbacks to consider. While this bundle offers significant value, a few considerations include dependence on Wi-Fi. Without a stable connection, functionality may be limited. Color bulb brightness. The bulb may not provide sufficient brightness for larger spaces. Subscription services. Accessing premium music services may require additional subscriptions. However, these are minor drawbacks compared to the overall value and convenience. Use cases. Perfect for every lifestyle. 1. Busy professionals. Streamline routines with automation. 2. Tech enthusiasts. Explore advanced features like energy monitoring and home integration. 3. Families. Create a safe, connected, and engaging home environment. Why buy the Echo Dot 5th Gen bundle with TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb? This bundle doesn't just bring technology into your home, it transforms it. With upgraded sound quality, hands-free lighting, and Alexa's endless capabilities, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, convenient, and connected lifestyle. Final thoughts. Worth every penny. The Echo Dot 5th Gen 2022 release with TP-Link Kasa Smart Color Bulb is a powerhouse duo for anyone wanting to modernize their home. Whether you're upgrading from a previous model or diving into smart home tech for the first time, this bundle strikes the perfect balance of functionality, quality, and value. With features designed to make life easier, this is more than a purchase. It's an investment in your daily comfort and efficiency. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.